In this video, I will show you how to post the payment from the customer. First, you have to go to account receivable, and then you can see this key right here, collab and expand. Right, just hit expand all. You can see the payment, and then under payment, you can see the customer payment journal. Uh, so this is all the journal that's not posted from maybe from other people or maybe from you that you didn't post it yet. But in order to post a new one, you have to create a new journal. I'll just put new, and you have to select the customer payment. It can be two or three different payment, like some company they set up the credit card payment or ACH wire payment on a different name. So in this case, we assume the customer we can use the same name for the checking deposit or the wire, ACH or credit card. You just select customer payment, and on after you select, you remember the journal number is 639, and you select this one. You have to go to line. When you go to lines, it will go to the journal itself. Okay, so go to line to enter any payment. Now you in the line. So right now you can post the payment. Before you post the payment, depend on when you scan your check or when you deposit your check. You make sure the day is matched with the deposit day. Okay, so let's say I deposit a check on the 16th, so I have to select on the 16th. And if I deposit a check on the 15th, I have to go back to the 15th to post the day. Okay, let's say right now you on the 15th. Okay, all the check deposit, all the batch deposit on the 15th. I just select because you have to do with bank rec at end of the month. You make sure they match the deposit day. So in this one, I deposit like two different check from two different account. So, but I have to post together because they're on the same batches. First is the account number 4 that I. So you select the account and you have to click right here on the account name underneath that. So in order for the name to show up, so this is the company name. Make sure to match, and you go to the transaction right here, and then you select the invoice that the customer pay. Okay, so let's say they pay the two invoices, the first and the second one. You have to mark it, and you say okay, and now the invoice. So the so you have to match the amount. Okay, like if the check amount have to be exactly the same. Otherwise, you have problem with when you do bank rec. So the check they pay is this amount is the same. About the financial tag, you don't need to worry about that. This is a very new function that Microsoft just created like not long ago. On the description, you have to you can say check, or if you have any comment on the description, you can write down. It's like check deposit. You can say deposit or payment for. You can put any comment you want. Okay, payment for job 93 or something like that. So, or you just say check, and this is the credit to the AR, and you have to select the currency is the US dollar, and then the bank. Usually, if you deposit directly to your bank, you have to select the offset account as the bank. You cannot select something else because that will be an issue. Just select bank. Um, so this is the name of the company. You can see USMF and USMF. And this one you don't need to worry about because there's a new function that I don't think a lot of them they don't use. It's not useful for a lot of company. So, but this is important right here. The method of payment, you select check, right? So sometimes they pay cash, check, or usually you select check if you deposit the check. The payment status is very important. You have to select receive it. If not, you won't process the payment. So the payment reference usually you put the check number. So I just put like check check number, like this is the check number, or you can put C, just check, okay, C for check, and then or the check number right here, and you have to click the U for use a deposit. You have to click this one, otherwise it won't work. So on the same batch, there's another check. So on the same batch, you just in here you just say new, right? So and now you select a different another check that the different company pay. In this case, is number two, account number two. Again, you click the account name, so you come up with a company. Make sure you match. You can see the voucher right here. You have to be careful right here. So for every check, the vouchers should be different. Okay, if it's the same, you might have a problem. So because they are two separate company, and even the same company, if you have a different check, you have to have a different voucher. Okay, so this is a voucher number 912, and then this one is 913, so it should be okay. Again, you after the account name is so up, you just go to settle transaction and find the invoice you want to apply to. So let's assume they pay for this invoice. So I just click to make sure the check amount is the same. So I just select check right here. I don't need to change the description. So you have to select receive it, and you have to put down the check number for reference, and then you have to select deposit for deposit. So this is the batch that the total batch that you deposit for on the 15th. Okay, and when you go down here, the journal, this is the total deposit, $26,450. So make sure it match with the total amount you deposit on the same batch. So after everything is okay, you just say post. So when you post the batch deposit. Now say operation completed. So now you're done with the posting, and there's a function here. You have to create a deposit slip. So in this case, it's like on the 15, right? Just change to 15. This deposit slip is the summary of the two check you deposit. See, if you look at the detail, you can see this is the summary of the two check you deposit, and this is the amount of the deposit. So this is the deposit slip. Now you can print out a deposit slip for the record. And also there's a good function right here. Print if you print right here, customer payment journal. This is a very important feature. So this feature is they list all the detail like invoice number, right? And then uh, what the check pay for. You can see these two invoice they pay for, and this is the amount of the check. And then the second check is the invoice they pay for, and the check number right here. And this is the amount of the check. Okay, so this is very detailed of you have to you can print out this one, or you can save this one for future reference. So now basically you're done with you're done with the posting. Okay? So this is the our posting is 6:39, right? So if you refresh right here, see they disappear because they already posted. But you can check it. Just go to show posted, and then you look at the most the current one, right? Or you just select the post on 12:15. Actually, this is 12:15. Let me check. Yeah, because yeah, this was put on the 16th, but the day is the 15th. So this is the one that we just posted. So this is 6:39. You can post on the 16th, but the day of the deposit is on the 15th. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you.